How to represent a zero pair using algebra tiles, also known as the chip method, for positive and negative numbers. Today we're going to be working with integers. You're going to draw two piles of chips the same size, but with opposite signs. You can also just draw your plus or minus instead of chips, which is going to be a lot easier. Remember, zero pairs are ninjas. They can always be added or pulled apart to help you. Let's assume I have the zero pair made from -6 and +6. That means I need 6 negative chips and 6 positive chips, such as this. Now, I like to make my chips kind of mirror. If possible, it helps me. What's important to know is that yes, you can also just draw your plus and minus, but you need to look for what your zeros are. We actually have lots of zero pairs in here. Every time a negative one is with a positive one, that's a zero. We have a 0, a 0, a 0. We also have this guy with this guy makes a 0. So what does that allow us to do? We can make a larger pile. I have -6 and +6, and that is a 0. You can find zero pairs in numbers that you've written out, just like with your number line. If I had -6 plus 3, I would have 5, 6 negatives, 1, 2, 3 positives. What do I then want to do? Line up my negatives with my positives. This is a 0, and look at what's left. -3.